Hi everyone, it's Celeste, and in this video I'm going to be showing you something fun, and I hope you enjoy it. So make sure to click that red button down below to subscribe to never miss out on some future cosplay content, and let's start the video. With these scraps, I actually have enough to make Peach, the little daughter of Chicha and Pacha, and I think I'll go do that. So we have Chicha finished. She's right here. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and do her little girl as Peachy. So I'm going to make kind of like a neckerchief and then a skirt. But the full skirt isn't going to go all the way around Peachy. That doesn't seem plausible. So we're going to do that. First things first, I need to figure out how much scrap material I have. Oh, look at this. This is like perfect for the waistband for her skirt over there. And then I think I'm just going to make like a little neckerchief, and that should suffice. I literally do not have that much material left, so I think I have no choice but to go for a neckerchief. Just in case, I could always go for this small piece here, but I'm going to go sew this down here, cut off the excess, and then hem the edges to make a cute little bandana kind of thing. So I did this off camera, but I took this long strip. I didn't really want to cut it. I think that's kind of wasteful, especially since I can keep using the elastic a little bit longer. So I wrapped the scrap piece, I totally forgot what I was going to say. I wrapped the scrap piece of fabric on there around my dog, and then I just needed like this much elastic. So I'm going to be making a French seam, and then I'm going to be using this and making like a strip and then turning that into a little thingy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I have the rest of this orange fabric folded over. I don't really need that much because I don't want it going underneath Peachy, and I remember marking out this much is how much is really just going to be the skirt. So you can see, I think just having one layer is enough. So we're going to cut it in half lengthways. You can see that I did that, and we're going to just rip it, you know. Now it's perfect. Now all I have to do is serge both ends and this end, and then gather it to fit half of this here. And we're going to mark the center point just so I have it. Ta-da! And now let's take it to the serger and get it going. So I went ahead and pleated down the skirt piece onto the little band, and now all I have to do is sew it together. You can see how cute it is, and I hemmed all around so it's ready. So here's the outfit, and here's Peachy. Time to put it on her. You want to try it on? Come on up. Oh, you're on my dress. Good girl. Let's take off your bandana. Let's put on the new bandana. Oh, this is looking so cute already. Good girl, Stay. Yeah. See, there's part 1. Okay. I think I did this wrong. Okay. Stand up. Stand up. Good girl. Oh, I should have made this. We're getting it on her. Oh, look at your little skirt. Oh, there's Peachy in her Chaca. Yeah, it's Chaca costume. Do you like it, Peachy? Oh, I think she wants to chew it. Good girl. Why did you tear up your dress? That's not as impressive as Miley's too. Chaca, you're so funny looking. Why'd you gotta rip up your skirt? Peachy, you're in cosplay too. And if you guys like me putting my pets in cosplay, make sure to leave that in a comment down below and leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for getting to the end of the video. And yeah, make sure to stay inspired, be creative, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Don't eat that. Hey, say bye, Peachy. Say bye-bye, Peachy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.